Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to discuss how you can grow cucumber in Europe, especially where the temperature is, the average temperature is around 20 degrees in summer, and the summer is very short. So in such a short time, uh, we have to grow the cucumbers, and that the first step is I used compost. You can see the black gold here. So I used compost that is also homemade compost, uh, and I made by myself and used that. And then after that, the plant started to growing, and I used to, when I used to found the dead leaves like that, I used to cut those because they are not necessary. So that kind of pruning, and the side branches, I also cut the side branches. So that's also important to get faster cucumbers. And you see that the cucumbers are here, and you can see also one there. It's full of cucumber. It's coming, a lot of cucumber. There is one thing for cucumber plants, very important, that is support. And I prepared like this, just 4, 5, 6 stick like that, and a net you can find online. It is a strong net, and these are climbing on the nets. All the cucumbers are climbing on the nets, because without support you will not get cucumbers. And you see they're getting bigger and bigger, and it's very tasty. So that's the thing. And I have to cut the dead leaves over there. I saw there are 2 dead leaves. That's also important, and I have to dispose somewhere else, which is a very good carbon for compost. So thank you very much, guys. I think you understand the basic steps how to grow pumpkin in Europe, and it should be in a place where enough sunlight it gets. So that's also very important. So thank you very much for listening my video.